Hello class 6, good morning. In today's class, we are going to learn some operations based on a table. First, open Microsoft Word. Is open. In our last class, we have created a table. So you can open that file. It is standard 6. See, it has got a table. It has got 4 columns: rank, name, mark, secured, class and section. Now in today's class, what we are going to learn? We are going to learn that how to delete rows or columns from a created table. A table has got number of rows and number of columns. So how to delete the rows or columns? See, we can delete a row in the table by selecting delete rows under the delete button. We have to select delete rows under the delete table. We can delete a column in the table by selecting delete columns under the delete button. See, so both are under the delete button only. So first you have to click on the table delete and click on the delete rows to delete the rows, and after clicking on the delete, select the delete columns and it will delete the columns. Now what are the steps to delete a row? Select the row that is to be deleted. First you select by using the mouse pointer, press and drag left to right. So select the row like this. Just press the left mouse button and select like this way. So select the row that is to be deleted. Then click the layout button under the table tools options, which is available on the menu bar. So after selecting the row, you have to click on the layout button. Then select the delete and then an appropriate option. Appropriate option means either click on the delete rows or delete columns from the drop down list, and the selected row will be deleted. Okay, now let us see these steps. So this is our table class result. So what is first option? First you select the rows. So suppose rows number 6 is empty, nothing is there. In 1 Kishan Raj, 2 Sumit Goyal, 3 Akash Mittal, 4 Chandra Mohan, 5 Deepak Sinha, their marks and the class section A, B. So 6 is empty. So just select the C by double clicking, or just say drag, press the left mouse button and drag it left to right. So it is dragged, it is selected. So after selecting, the first step is click on the layout button. So see, here is the layout button. Click on the layout button. As you click on the layout button, the different options of the table is open, like select, view, properties, delete, insert above, insert below, insert left, insert right, merge cell, split cells, split table. So which one you have to click? You have to click on the delete. So here is the delete. Click on the delete. Under the delete, we have 4 options. 4 options are delete cells, delete columns, delete rows and delete table. So we want delete rows. So click on the delete rows. Now see, the row number 6 is gone. It is deleted. Okay, row number 6 is deleted. So once again, what is the step? The table must be created before. Select that rows which you want to delete. Click on the layout button, click on the delete, select the option delete rows, and the rows is deleted, like row 6 is deleted now. Now next is delete column. The same way, columns can be deleted in a similar way by choosing the delete column option from the drop down list under the delete option. So if you want to delete a column, what to be done? You open the same table and select any column, suppose name column. Select up to down. Go to delete option, and this time the second option is delete columns. Click on the delete columns and that column will be deleted, removed from the table. So once again, what are the steps? Suppose you want to delete class and section column. You don't want this class and section column. By using the mouse, select the full column. Okay, by pressing the left mouse button and dragging down, go and click on the delete. click on the delete columns and this full columns will be deleted. So just now what we have learned? We have learned how to delete rows and how to delete columns. Now next topic is changing the row height in a table. Now what do you mean of row height? Now see, this is table. Suppose you want to write this name in the big font. The font is 13. Suppose you want 20. So it will not fit in this cell. So what are the steps to increase the height of the column? First step is, see, we can change the row height to make the information appear in a better way by the following steps. First, select a cell or cells of the desired table. Click the layout button from the table tool option. It will display the default table row height in the cell size area. Click this button, which one? Down arrow, to change the height of the row to a specific measurement of the selected cells. The row height will be set as per our needs. So let us open the table. First you select any cell, suppose Chandra Mohan. I am selected. Click on the layout. Now see, it is showing here the height is 0.55 centimeter and width is 4.47 centimeter. So what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to increase the row height. We are supposed to increase the what? Row height. To change the row height or decrease the row height. So just see this arrow. Click on this down arrow. As you click up arrow, as you click, the row height is increasing. See. Can see 1.7, 1.8, the row height is increasing. And if you want to decrease the row height, click on the down arrow. Now see, row height is decreasing. And after changing the row height, increase or decrease, you save it and the table will be saved. Alright. So what are the steps? The steps are: select a cell or cells, click on the layout button. It will show you the cell size area. Just once again see. Insert, table, home, page layout. It is showing the indent of the page. So first you open the table. This is table. The layout button has come. Click on the layout button. Cell is already selected, and increase or decrease by clicking on the up or down arrow button, and the cell size will be, say, decreasing, and if click up, cell size is increasing. So this way we can increase the height of the cell, and you can type something bigger than the according to your requirement. So in today's class, what you have learned? You have learned how to delete the rows or columns and how to change the row height. How to change the row height of a cell. So revise these steps, learn the steps. Thank you.